SaaS CEOs, is your landing page not converting? Give me the next 5 minutes and I'll show you how to do a simple $3 ad test to isolate the most important variables in your landing page and optimize them. So comment playbook below and I will give you my playbook on SaaS lander optimization. I won't even ask you for your email address. My name is Jean-Michel Moreau and I help SaaS CEOs unlock product growth using a scientific approach to advertising. After the last 20 years of experience, I've created the massive feedback method so that CEOs can grow and scale faster and make a bigger impact with their products. In every single episode, you're going to get something that you can immediately implement that's going to accelerate your user acquisition so that you can scale and exit faster. So give me the next 5 minutes and I will show you exactly how to use this simple $3 ad to isolate the most important variables in your landing page and how to optimize it. So right now, you have a landing page that's getting some traffic, but the problem is that your conversion rate is below 2% and traditional A/B testing requires just too much traffic. It's either very expensive or very slow. So let's say you want to go buy the book and you want to run a traditional A/B test. Well, for variant A and variant B, each of them are going to take somewhere around 2,500 views just to see what works. Now imagine you're paying $1 a click, right? That means this whole test costs you $5,000, right? That's a lot of money to spend on one test for a SaaS company who hasn't yet got paid acquisition to work. The alternative with organic traffic is you're just waiting months to see what works. So most people stick with A/B testing, but they just never get the volume of feedback to really optimize. And here's what happens. Plus, when teams are faced with running 5K in traffic or waiting months, they always make the same mistake. They change a million variables. They try to make their best version of the page. And the problem is now you don't know why you got the results that you are. You changed everything at once. So the reason this strategy doesn't work is because it's really optimized for companies with huge budgets, but if your company hasn't scaled paid acquisition yet, you can't afford to copy the same playbook as like Facebook, Google, and Apple, right? You need a more cost-effective strategy to generate the volume of feedback you need. And so you need feedback that's isolated so that you know which variable caused the result. So what's the solution? You need to start engineering your marketing feedback loops just like you engineer your products. And the way to do that is with the massive feedback method and these low-cost 24-hour feedback loops. So here's the exact steps to start optimizing your landing page with the massive feedback method. There are 4 main steps. So here's your landing page, right? This is what I would call above the fold. This is above the fold. And we're going to focus on the headline. That's the highest impact thing that you can start to work on. So this is your web page. This blue line represents above the fold. That's where like the 80-20 of your marketing on your landing page happens. We're going to focus on the biggest element, the most important element, which is your headline. That's the highest impact test to start with. So step 1 is we're going to brainstorm 100 headlines. That's the first step. So imagine versus A/B testing, we're just testing one, right? We're going to start with 100 headlines. Now, I don't have time to go into it here. However, in the playbook, I show you exactly how to craft higher intent headlines that help move people into action. Now, step 2 is we're going to isolate this variable with an ad. And the ad is very simple. We're going to run ads that look basically like this. There's one picture. There's no ad copy. There's no special headline. There's no optimizations. Almost everything is turned off. And what we're doing is we're trying to isolate the impact of what is in this image. It says learn more, and that's it. And so what do you put in that image? You put your headline. This is so simple. You put your headline here, and then in parentheses, you put a call out. Who is this for? Is this product for audio engineers? Is this product for busy moms? Is this product for couples budgeting? You put that in the who, and then you put the headline here. And that is a way that you can have isolating this variable. That combined with how you set up the ad, which again I go into in the guide, will make sure that this is you're getting feedback from the right people. Step 3, we serve that ad only to our ideal customers. So I like to use the Meta platform for this because it's cheap and easy to do these kinds of tests. Step 4, we compare the unique outbound click-through rates and the cost for each ad. We stack rank them. Maybe they'll line up like this. Maybe the best ad will be number 10 and the worst ad will be, I don't know what. But the way it always works is there's almost like a power distribution, a power curve in the data. And what that means is most of your results will suck. You're going to get low numbers for most of your headlines and you're going to find that a small proportion of them, like 10 of them, will be much higher than the rest and you'll have one winner. It makes choosing which headline to run much easier. So stack ranking these will give you the best headline. It's extremely effective. Stop and just think about this for a minute. Imagine if you could optimize and isolate each part of your landing page and optimize it in 24-hour tests. So I've created a step-by-step playbook where you can run through it. I give you the test to get it up and running in under 15 minutes. Yeah, it's like really that easy. So comment playbook below and I'll give you the step-by-step guide just for watching this video. I won't even ask you for your email.